Now, just a quick note before I bring in Llyod Gumbo from IPEC, from the Pension and Security Commission. I want to talk about ZIG and ZWL. Now, of course, some of us who have an institutional memory, we kind of get sad when we think that the ZWL is kind of officially gone because the central bank has applied and got approval to change the acronym ZWL to ZWG effective the 25th of June. So in future, if you're writing anything down and you want to make payment, you have to put ZWG 100. I'll send you my bank account details later. I'm joking. But anyway, you get the idea. So that's effective 25th of June. Right. I'm now joined by Llyod Gumbo from IPEC. That, of course, is the Insurance and Pensions Commission. Llyod, good to see you, matey. Welcome.
Good to see you too,
How's our IPEC?
IPEC is surviving and we are good.
I tell you why I say that, because, you know, I'm one of those that truly believes that the pension industry needs to be boosted again and we need to start looking at pensions. And in fact, there's a huge problem that we're facing in that we now have a huge swath of people, including myself, who don't have pensions when they retire. So I think you guys have a very critical role to play in ensuring that our retirement age, you know, monitoring the insurance companies to make sure they toe the line.
Indeed, indeed.
Now, of course, now why you're here, which is an interesting one, even though it is markets, is that IPEC is managing or is putting together an insurance awareness run in June 2024, 29th of June. Guys, now look, I'm not sure how many of you can do this, but it's 21.1 kilometers. My goodness. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say about that. But anyway, rather you than me. Right, Llyod, so what's behind this? What inspired this insurance run?
Thank you very much, Andy. So the 28th of June every year is a day that's set aside, worldwide to commemorate insurance awareness. So it's called Insurance Awareness Day. So tomorrow is the 28th of June. So we thought, we have to come up with something for insurance awareness where we can remind the public, policy holders about the need for them to check their insurance coverage. So we came up with this run, which we're going to be doing on the 29th of June at ZB Sports Club in Vinona. So this run will have us as the regulator. It will have the insurance entities. It will also have other corporates and, just the general public who are coming in to run and learn more about insurance.
Now, please tell me that you're running.
Yes, definitely.
You're going to run 21 kilometers.
No. So we have 21 kilometers, 21.1 kilometers. Right. We have 10 kilometers. Okay. And we have 5 kilometers.
I'll do the 0 kilometers. I'll meet you at the end of the race and say, yes, Llyod,
you should try the 21.1.
No, you're mad, buddy. I'm not going to do that. Now then, while you're doing this run, obviously the main key, as you said, is to raise insurance awareness. How can you do that? Because it isn't just about, of course, publicizing the event, but it's also about people understanding. What's the plan?
So, Andy, generally, a study that was conducted here in Zim, it's established, which is common knowledge, that in terms of general literacy, Zimbabwe, we're very high, we're right at the top. But when it comes to financial literacy, it's right at the bottom. We're not doing very well in terms of financial literacy. So we have also looked at this from the insurance perspective, where it's not really just about just buying an insurance product. It's about understanding the insurance product that you are buying, understanding its benefits, understanding some of the challenges that could be associated with that particular product. So we are going to be having insurance entities. We're going to be, to be there as the regulator to educate all the participants who are coming through, the exhibitors who are not insurance entities, the general public who are coming to run. So they will also have an opportunity to walk through the exhibition stands that will be at the venue.
At ZB Sports Club.
At ZB Sports Club, yeah. So
tell me, is the commissioner running? Grace, my friend Grace, is she running?
She's leading from the front.
I want to see pictures.
So she's doing 10 kilometers.
She's doing 10?
Yes.
Good for you, Grace. Keep it up. Well done. Now, obviously, you've partnered with some highly reputable companies in the marketplace. So talk to me about that. And also, any big guests coming or any, big runners who I can expect, like Andy Hodges running? Who can we expect?
Yes. So like I said, the run is going to be led by our commissioner, Dr. Grace Muradzikwa. She's going to be leading from the front.
Absolutely.
And we're also going to be having insurance executives who are also going to be running.
Sam, I hope you're there from Old Mutual. I hope you'll be running, Sam. Yep.
So we'll also have those executives also participating. So in terms of collaborations, we are going to be having Star FM. They're going to be having an outside broadcast.
There you go,
from,
guys. Perfect.
ZB Sports Club during the run. So that will be like for about 3 hours. So we'll be having Star FM there. And we also have the insurance associations and the insurance entities who have also partnered with us, the likes of ZB Life, who are the principal sponsors for this particular run. And we also have Cell Insurance and the Insurance Council of Zimbabwe, among other insurance entities.
I can see they've come out in full support.
Also come in full support.
What about runners? I mean, I know Grace is leading from the front. Do you have any, like, I don't know, would we see a minister running or something like that? That would be good fun. I'd love these sort of runs.
It would be good. Yeah. It would be good. So
if I was a minister, I'd run with my car behind me just in case I get tired and have to jump in. But tell me now, obviously this is on Saturday, right?
Yes.
29th. How do people participate? Do they just pitch up? Do they have to contact IPEC? What do they do?
Okay, so sure. We have our registration link. If they can visit our social media platform on Facebook, they will find everything about the run there. There's also a link where they can register online and pay. The participation fee is $15 or ZIG equivalent. So we really look forward to them coming on board. We will be closing the registrations very soon. I think probably by day end today.
By end of day today. Yes. So guys, you've got to register by end of day today if you want to get involved in the run. You can visit the IPEC website, you can visit their social media platforms, register. And then, of course, they'll give you the nice number and everything, and off you go.
Yes. So, because the respect collection is tomorrow, so the registrations we are closing today. We're just left with a few slots because we have lots of people who are interested in participating. We have
now, what is important, of course, as much as it's an insurance run, the fact is that this is a conversation that has to continue past Saturday.
Yes.
In the sense of people understanding what insurance products are out there, what it actually means to them, what suits their lifestyle to buy. Because I know we love our death benefits, funeral policies, but I think we should be pushing more things like life insurance, things like retirement insurance and things like that. So how does the conversation continue?
Thank you very much, Andy. So we do leverage a number of platforms. For instance, media interviews like ZTN, coming here, talking about insurance, talking about pensions. We also do conduct roadshows. We do conduct exhibitions, like when there are agricultural exhibitions, the ZITF, and we have also introduced a snakes and ladders game, which is a financial literacy. Yes. So
I always get down to the, when you get to the top and it goes,
yes.
It feels like my insurance premium.
Exactly. So in that game, it's an insurance and pensions awareness game.
On the board?
Yes.
Oh, please send me one. Please send me, please.
Okay.
I want one so I can show everyone.
For good financial decisions, you get to climb the ladder. But for bad or wrong financial decisions, you get swallowed by the snake and you go back to the bottom. I'll share one game with you.
Please share it with me. Yes. I get the feeling that I don't know whether I'll go to the top or bottom. What do you think? Right, Llyod Gumbo from IPEC. Just quickly tell our viewers about the insurance on where it is, what to do, just very quickly to wrap up.
Thank you very much, Andy. So we have the insurance awareness run on Saturday, the 29th of June at ZB Sports Club. So if you haven't joined or you haven't registered, please do register. Go to our social media platform on Facebook. You will find the registration link there and the flyers and all the information that you may want to know about the run on Saturday. Thank you very much.
And of course, 10 kilometers, 21.1 kilometers. You'll see me at the end of the race.
Konapo. Ipapo pa ZTN Prime. DSTV channel 294. The place to be.